So for this week's YouTube problem, the textbook asks us to draw two spirals where the only difference is going to be the turn angle. So here's my program for that. Just start by importing the turtle module and substantiating the turtle. I give her a pen size of 1 just to make it easier to see the spiral and just to make it more representative of what they're asking. I gave test blue color and the background color is light green. So then the actual program that draws the spiral is pretty simple. It has 4 variables: t for turtle, turns, which is going to tell us how many turns to make, angle, which is going to be the turn angle, and size, which is going to be the size of each individual run that the turtle makes. Start off by initializing a sum accumulator and a for loop with range turns. So the turtle is going to go forward, sum accumulator, which is going to start off at 0, and that's going to give us this 0 length run that we see right here before she does a right turn of angle degrees. And then we're going to go back to the top, and then sum accumulator is going to start adding up by length size. In my case, I decided to make the size 3 just to make the spiral more visible. I also put a note down here to make size greater than 1 so you can see spiral. So let's go ahead and run through this one. Just give us a square spiral. So here's the square spiral. This one is 200 turns, 90-degree angle, and size 3, so each run that Tess makes is going to be size 3 larger than the previous run. Okay, let's go ahead and comment that out. Let's do this one. So this one right here, change the turn angle by 89.5 by 0.5 to 89.5. Everything else stayed the same. And, let's run that. Oh, sorry. Okay, there we go. And there it is. And I think that almost exactly matches what the question was asking for.